Hello, everyone. I am your instructor, Miriam Goldberg, for Biology 106. This is the lab component to the Biology 105 that some of you are registered in, and I'm the instructor for. First of all, I want to welcome you to the class. I know this is posting on Monday, and I have to apologize because I didn't get your Canvas shell for this lab until late yesterday. So it's a little glitch there, but don't worry, we're going to be here and I'm going to help you navigate the course. So first, of course, you have to read the course introduction and make sure that you do your introductions by Thursday at 3 a.m. I'm in California, so for me it's midnight on Wednesday, really. But and then your second posting for this class, it has to be on Thursdays by 3 a.m. Eastern time. The class is going to run for 5 weeks, and each week you're going to have certain assignments that you have to complete. And make sure that you read the announcement on the deadlines and the deductions that you may get in points, depending on how many days you're late. So I'm very excited to teach this class because I've used lobster simulations before when we all got into the pandemic. And I think it is a very good software that is very easy to navigate, and you can get a lot done with this type of simulation. So let's get to see what we have to do this week. This week, you're going to be learning about the scientific method. As you know, in science, we use the scientific method to analyze and describe phenomena that is happening. And we're going to be looking at the variations within a population. Some of the learning objectives are lab safety, which is a very fun lobster that I completed and I loved it. You're going to learn about the fundamentals of the scientific method, also the intra-population variation, and you're going to do the lab simulation on lab safety. At the end of the module, you're going to have a quiz. Very similar. It's going to be for the 5 weeks that we're going to be together. So first assignment is your introductions, of course. Then the second assignment is going to be this week for you to look at a population in the area where you live. It could be acorns, it could be pine cones, it could be flowers that are flowering right now. This is a very nice season that we're in. You're going to collect 100 individuals, and you're going to look for different characteristics within the same population. That's what is population variation, right? As you know, in humans, for example, not all of us look the same. We don't have the same height, even though we're the same species. So this is exactly what you're going to do. Out of your 100 organisms, you're going to make a table with different characteristics like height or width or size or color. So you're going to make a table, and then you're going to use Google Sheets or Excel, and you're going to create a histogram. A histogram is a graphic representation of the different characteristics that you're looking for and how many individuals fall under the same characteristic. Assignment 3 is a one-page paper on the steps of what it takes to write the methods section in a scientific paper. Please make sure that you check your resources. There's a wonderful guide for undergraduate research, and this will be an assignment where you explain to others how to do it. So if somebody reads it, they're going to be able to do it as well. So this is just being posted. You don't have to reply to any of your classmates like we may do in future weeks, but it's just there so that everybody can utilize it and see how it's done. I hope you have a wonderful week. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need anything or you have any questions. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week.